Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Amazon gift card. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon app on your phone. Next, tap the three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen to open the menu. Then here, select gift cards. Scroll down until you see the Redeem an Amazon gift card option, then tap on it. And you'll now have the two options. You can either scan the claim code on your physical gift card or manually enter the code in the text box. And once you entered or scanned the code, tap Apply to your balance. And after that, go back to the gift card section. You should now see the updated balance at the top. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.